everybody, I'm Sasha Moore and I teach origami here at PCC. I've been folding origami since I was 4 years old, and today we're going to learn how to fold an origami heart bookmark. So we're going to start on the white side, and we're going to fold our paper point to point. Then we're going to open it up and fold the other two point to point. Then we flip it over and fold it in half. And this makes a nice guide for our next fold. So you just sort of press in the center to pop it, and then fold those sides down to make mountain fold. And then we're gonna fold both of these sides up to the top. And then we open this up and fold it back. And fold these back down. And then we're going to take that whole rectangle and fold it towards you, and then fold that in half again. Then we're going to open up both sides of this and fold them down. And if you can't quite get into this little corner, you can use a pencil or a pen or something like that to make sure that you can get them flat. And then we're gonna fold these little squares in. And it's okay if they're not perfect. This one's not. And then we're gonna fold each of these little points down. And flip that whole thing back over. And there's your bookmark.